Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Okay, I will share my computer, my Windows. Yeah, hello. Okay, I will share my own computer now. Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Okay, let's see our agenda for today. Then from 4 p.m. till 5:15 p.m., we will start exploring together how to create a rubric, create tests, add questions. Then we will have a break, small break for 15 minutes from 5:15 till 5:30, a break. Then we will continue on our test, how to deploy test, and then how to submit tests. And we will get a break from 6:35 till 7:05 p.m. Then we will finish our workshop for today from 7:05 till 8 p.m. with the question banks. This is our agenda for today. I hope you will enjoy it. Let's start our presentation for today. I will start by briefing the type of assessment tools that we can manage. Student assessment during online learning process. And we have final exam using Blackboard, for example. We have multiple choice answers or quiz. We have open book exam. We have oral exam using e-learning systems. Presentations and participation during lecture in virtual classroom. Assignment and activities. Discussion board. And scientific and research projects. Then the assessment tools strategy priority in Qasim University will be, then first are the tests, then small project and research, assignment, oral tests, discussion board, open book tests. This is a priority for assessment tools in Qasim University. We will start by creating what we call a rubric. What is a rubric? We will start by the definition of a rubric. Really, a rubric in Blackboard is a scoring tool that you can use to evaluate graded work. When you create a rubric, you divide the assigned work into parts. You can provide a clear descriptions of characteristics of the work associated with each part at varying levels of skill. A student can use a rubric to organize their effort to meet the requirement of the graded work when you allow students access to rubric before they complete their work. You provide transparency in your grading methods. Yes, please, any question? Okay, it's fine then, okay. And this is the rubric. Then a rubric is a scoring tool that you can use it. Let's watch together this video about how to create rubrics.
You can create rubrics to use as a scoring tool when evaluating graded work. Let's take a look. To begin, expand Course Tools in the Control panel and then select Rubrics. On the Rubrics page, select Create Rubric. Type a title and optional description. Select Add Row to add new criterion to the bottom of the grid. Select Add Column to add a new level of achievement to the grid. Next, choose a rubric type from the menu. You can select No Points to provide feedback only, Points or Point Range, or percent range. Next, type a point or percentage value for each row and column. Type a description for the criteria and the associated level of achievement. Each cell has a 1,000 character limit. When you are finished creating your rubric, select Submit.
Okay. Really, we can create multiple rubrics in your course. Rubrics consist of rows and columns. The rows correspond to criteria, and the column correspond to level of achievement that describes each criterion. New rubrics have 3 rows and 3 columns by default. After you create rubrics, you can associate them with any type of assessment tool or content. This is an example, really, of a rubric. As you can see, this is a grid view of a rubric. Here we have the criteria as column, and in row we have the level of achievement. Here I have, for example, novice, competent or proficient, distinguished, and here are the criteria: purpose and focus, development of idea, organization, scientific language, and you can associate point for each criterion and each level of achievement here by point. Here we have 15 points, then 20, then 25. And you can distribute the grades or the point on these criteria and level of achievement. How to create this, I can show you. Then you can associate a rubric with an assessment tool for like an assignment or a special type of exams. Then you can associate rubrics with this type of gradable content. With assignment, then we can use rubric to grade assignments, essay, short answer, file response test questions, blogs and journals, wikis, and discussion forum and threads. These are the type of gradable content that we can associate a rubric with.